favourite new coffee machine? Do you explain what the coffee machine is? And then what happens? Maybe when the girl did it today, did any noise happen? Done because nothing else is happening, it's just disappearing, it's getting less bubbles, so I think it's done. You're going to put that in there so it's a cappuccino?
Yes. Cafe latte.
So you didn't put a lot of water in the tank over there, it's not so full. Just enough?
Yeah, just I didn't know
waste it. You just use it next time. You gonna taste it? How is it? Good? And this is... Don't put it in my hand, it's probably hot. Okay, it's not so hot. Let me drink it. It's pretty good.
Love it!
It doesn't have any sugar or sweetening. It's naturally sweet. Because of the milk, right? I like it. Okay, that's first successful piloting of the coffee maker espresso thing.
My espresso maker.
Okay.
Love it. So this my old espresso maker is gonna go to my mom.
So does baby like it?
Baby likes it.
Baby likes the coffee?
Baby likes it.
The caffeine-free coffee.
Caffeine-free coffee.
Okay, so that's it. Video's done.
Done.